there is a working vaccine. Every ferret released to the wild is vaccinated for plague. And so they're immune, but they don't pass that immunity on to their wild-born offspring. So ultimately, we can't perpetuate this immunity, and we have to keep vaccinating the species in perpetuity. So one of the ideas we're exploring through our projects at Revive and Restore is turning that injectable vaccine into a genetic vaccine. Very simplified version of this. It actually has something like 20 components, but the very simplified version is that this is a transgene with multiple components that turns on at the right age, the age where a ferret would normally be vaccinated, and it turns off after a particular dosage, just like a vaccine, and it is expressed in the muscle tissue, the place where a vaccine would be injected and nowhere else. So it triggers the right immune response, and it's expressing that active ingredient in the vaccine, a V antigen from the plague bacteria, basically creating self-vaccinating ferrets. This has never been done in any vertebrate so far, this type of self-vaccinating tool. We're hoping it works. We're also exploring a number of other options.